Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, factors affecting the total body water, and here the factor taken into consideration is age. So, according to the age in both the sexes, in both males and females, the total body water will decrease with age. So, total body water is highest in newborns and in adult males it is highest. And if you see during the first year of life, we see that there is marked decrease in total body water is seen during the first year of life. Why? Because in the first year of life, cell mass grows at a faster rate than the extracellular fluid volume. When compared to the extracellular fluid volume, the cell mass grows at a faster rate in the first year of life. So cell mass is more when compared to water. So as a result, there is decrease in total body water is seen in the first year of age. So the total body water decreases with age.
thank you and thank you for watching.